U.S. Janitorial New Waterproof Ceiling Panels. Manufactured from PVC with a smooth or decorative embossed surface texture, U.S. Janitorial panels solve the problems of water damage and mold or mildew that are traditionally experienced with fiber-based lay-in panels. U.S. Janitorial ceiling panels are guaranteed not to water stain, swell or rot due to moisture, so they're ideal for use in moist and humid areas. We offer a unique solution to replace your old, stained, broken or molded ceiling tiles. They're the last ceiling panel you'll ever need to buy, with modern, clean and simple design. Can easily be removed to be power washed, scrubbed and sanitized with bleach or disinfectant and meet Class A FSI and SDI ratings. Our panels lay into existing drop ceiling grid systems for 2x2 or 2x4 panels. Available in black or white. Its smooth texture allows high light reflectance, making the panels suitable for indirect lighting applications. Perfect for use in kitchens, bathrooms and other high humidity environments. Our maintenance-free ceiling panels make damaged and stained drop ceiling panels a thing of the past. Manufactured from 100% waterproof PVC, they are guaranteed to not rot, mold or mildew like traditional fiber-based panels. Standard series and revealed edge panels consists of 4 traditional waterproof tile designs that are perfect for commercial or residential applications. Designer series panels offer styles that go way beyond the standard ceiling tile. U.S. Janitorial ceiling tiles are perfect for food processing plants, healthcare and education facilities, commercial kitchens, high humidity climates, science and pharmaceutical labs, clean rooms and marine applications. Call us now to learn more or to schedule an appointment.